Craving a crispy sweet Indian snack? Today, I'm sharing a quick and easy recipe for authentic Bihari Thekua. Perfect for Chhath Puja or any festive occasion. Let's get started. You'll need just a handful of ingredients. 1 cup of whole wheat flour, a quarter cup of Suji, half a cup of Jaggery or sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, a pinch of cardamom powder, and if you like, some grated coconut or chopped nuts. Plus, a bit of water for the syrup and ghee for frying. First, dissolve your Jaggery in a quarter cup of warm water. Strain it and let it cool. In a large bowl, mix the Atta, Suji, cardamom, and ghee until the mixture feels crumbly. Now, slowly add the Jaggery syrup and knead everything into a firm dough. It should hold its shape but not feel sticky. Next, divide the dough into small balls and flatten each one into a disc. If you want that traditional look, press them with a Thekua mold or just use a fork to make patterns. Heat ghee in a kadai on medium-low heat. Carefully fry the Thekua in batches until they're golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Drain on paper towels to keep them crispy. And there you have it. Crispy, delicious Thekua ready to enjoy. Perfect for festivals or even with your evening chai. Try it out and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support motivates me to bring you more delicious recipes.